Dear friends, today I am going to unbox a 4.3 inches car rear display and camera. It is suitable for almost all type of car. Let's get started. The camera and display sold together as a single product. It is also available separately. This is the rear camera. The visual angle of this camera is 170 degree. It is long RCA to RCA cable, power jack for camera, it is hole saw to make a big sized hole to fit camera. It is our camera. It is looking good. It runs with 12 volts from the car, a red jack for power and another is video output. Now it is time to check display. It is TFT LCD 4.3 inches display. Power consumption of this display 3 watt. Working voltage 6 volt to 32 volt. Here is 2 video input and its resolution is 480 into 234. Here red for power and other 2 for video input. Here are 3 buttons to adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, tint, etc. The connection is really easy. Just connect 12 volt power from car and connect camera RCA jack to display RCA. The display quality is really good for this price range. The viewing angle of display really good. Working good also on low light condition. You can also use it as a small TV by connecting set-top box, DVD player or any other RCA supported device. Overall, I am happy with this cheap Chinese rear display and camera. If you like this video, please thumbs up. Goodbye my friends.